Welcome to the game today, folks. We're interviewing Daniel Bartholey, and I'm Apple Cider Da Vinci, if you do not know me. And let's have Daniel Bartholey come in. Hello, how you doing?
Get out! Earthquake! Ah! So, the earthquake was a false alarm, I guess, if I'm right.
Well, how you doing, Mr. Daniel?
Really good. Me and my family are having vacation to the Bahamas, Christmas.
Wow. So how you get here?
Well, I took a private jet from the Bahamas to Mexico because I already forgot I had this interview until my Google Calendar reminded me. Then I hopped on a private jet to fly Las Vegas. I flew in Las Vegas and I stayed in Summerlin. And then I drove to here in my private limo, which is here in Fort Myers Beach.
So why'd you go to Las Vegas?
Scenery, and I kind of saw what Elvis looked like.
Oh. So, is it okay if I ask you some questions?
Yeah, definitely.
So, what did you do for the math world?
I invented airflow physics.
Oh, how do you do airflow physics?
Well, I have a slideshow and I'll tell you. So I have several ways I like to explain it. 3 ways. The first one is actually how you do it. So the first one, there's always a lift. And like, if you've seen a picture, there's an object, the air goes up or it goes through. Like the air has to find a way to get around it. And a good way to explain that is during, I don't really know, like NASCAR, like when they start drafting, I should say. And like, the first car in it gets all the air and it hits it, and gravity doesn't have enough time because the air is going so fast, so it goes over top. And part of it is also they're like an inch away too. And yeah, and so they use less fuel.
Mm-hmm.
Or like when you like drive cars and the wind hits you, like when you're going with the wind, it helps you with your gas mileage, and that's another way to push it. Like the wind pushes you. And then my third way is like when you kick a soccer ball, like when national soccer players kick it, they get spin on it, and then it starts getting the air going around circles and circles, and then it gets them. Then it has the air going like that, and then it takes the soccer ball, like curves it.
Okay, let's get back to the end. So, tell me what your childhood was like.
I was born February 8th, 1700. I was really good in math. Math is my best subject, like every mathematician. I was good in science. My science teacher was really nice. My math teacher was nice too. But my reading teacher, I hated. Or I disliked, I should say.
Okay, so did you have any siblings? Were you mean? Were they mean? How were they mean?
So I did have 2 siblings, a younger brother and an older brother. My younger brother's name was Jonathan. Me and Jonathan loved to pick on Jacob, which is my older brother, because Jacob was always mean to us. One day we broke his phone because we got mad at him. That bad.
Okay, well, what was your adult family like?
I had no wives or kids, and I dated people, but didn't really work out.
Well, tell me about your education.
So I went to school in Ireland, and that's where I grew up. And then at the age of 13, I went to college, and then I got a master's degree, and I went to college at Healdsburg, Strasbourg.
So, what was your IQ, and was it advantage or disadvantage?
So my IQ was 170. My IQ right now is 170, I should say. But then I think it was an advantage to me, because if you look at some people, they have low IQ, they can still do a lot. But people with high IQs, they don't really like try, and they can't do it. And if you look at the highest was 230. And it's kind of like, I don't know how to put it. Like, I'm only, let me see here. I've said, like, not that much away from it. And give him a round of applause for a high IQ. I forgot the name, so yeah.
So that's it for the questions. And tomorrow there will be another interview. And I hope I see you tomorrow. And I hope you have a good day.
Yeah, I kind of have to go eat some. I'll go back to Bahamas right now. Eat with my family, have Christmas, another interview, so yeah.
Okay,
I'm
bye.
taking this.